Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and my name is Okechibu, and in today's video we'll be discussing an important aspect of website customization, and that is the custom 404 error page like what you are seeing on the screen. I'm sure many of you have encountered the 404 error while browsing websites, or you visited a website and you see a page displayed 404 page not found, right? That's what we're talking about. But now, as a website owner, have you thought about the impact it can have on your own website? So today we are going to explore the benefits of having a custom 404 error page, the effects it will have on your website, and how you can set it up using a popular plugin. And that plugin is a free plugin that we are going to use. So let's get started. Now, first of all, let's talk about why having a custom 404 error page is essential for your website. Now, a 404 error occurs when a user visited your website trying to access a particular page and that page does not exist on your website. So the user will be presented with a page that says 404 error, right? Now, most web servers display a generic error message like what you are seeing on the screen. Like that's just the normal one that many web servers will show, or something like this. That is what a 404 error page is all about. Now let's look at the advantages of having a custom 404 error page. What we mean by custom is a page that is still the same 404 error page, but that is not the default one that every website has. No, custom 404 error page is the one that you have customized by yourself to look the way you want it. Now, one of the advantages is branding and consistency. So when you have a custom page, it allows you to maintain a consistent look and feel with your website design. And when that happens, you are reinforcing your brand identity. Number two advantage that having a custom 404 page gives you is that it improves your user experience. So instead of frustrating your visitors with a generic error message, a custom 404 page can guide them back to your site's main navigation or provide helpful suggestions to find the content they were looking for. So instead of now they get here, and if you see on this page where you have this search, if they click on this search, if care is not taken, it can take them out of your website, and that is not good for you, right? Now, the number three thing that you also need to understand why having a custom 404 error page is important is that it will reduce your bounce rate, because a well-designed 404 page can entice users to explore your site further, so reducing the chances of them leaving immediately after encountering that error. So many people, when they see this, they don't even know what to do, so they can leave your website, and that will increase your bounce rate, and that is what you have to avoid. You need to avoid having your bounce rate high. Okay, so now that we've understood the benefits of having a 404 error page, so let's discuss the effects of custom 404 error page when you create a personalized page. So if you create your custom 404 error page, so what you can achieve with that is this: it can help you communicate with your audience. Now, when you use a custom page to apologize for the inconvenience, provide a friendly message, or inject some humor to lighten the situation, this is human touch. This human touch can enhance your website's personality and build a stronger connection with your website. So when you have one that you customize, then your users will feel at home. They'll know, okay, yeah, somebody is talking with me, even though they are not seeing you, face to face. Now, you can also offer alternative content. Your custom 404 page can suggest related articles, popular posts. That's if you have blog on your website, which you should have, of course. Or you can provide a search bar that is customized to help users find relevant information that they are looking for on your website. So this way, even if they didn't find what they are looking for, they will still find something useful on your site, and that way they can stay on your website. Number three, it can also help redirect users intelligently. So if you've recently redesigned your website or moved content around, so a custom 404 page can automatically redirect users to the correct page. So this ensures that they can still access the desired content without manually searching for it, right? So you present what you want your users to find. We have understood the importance and the effects of a custom 404 page. So let's dive into how we can set it up easily using a popular WordPress plugin called Custom 404 Pro. So let's get into it. Now you log into your WordPress website, right? So which like I am logged into now. So you go to your plugin, right? So you go to your plugin and you go to add new plugin. So you click on add new plugin, and then you are going to search for this plugin we are going to use. So the name of the plugin is Custom 404 Pro plugin. So just type it there and then it will search and then it will bring it out. So that's the first one you are seeing here. So you click on install. So you can see I've not done it on this side, so I'm just doing everything step by step so that you can follow it easily. So you click on activate, then it will be settled. So now it's installed on our website. So when you go here, you can see it on this side of our dashboard, right? Now let's set it up and then have a custom error page. So when you come to the custom 404 Pro, you go to the settings option there. So you go to the settings option. Now it's asking us the page that we want to use for the 404 error page, because there is no page. This particular page you are seeing here now, you cannot find it as a page. So it's actually a template that came in with WordPress. So you can't find it as a normal page that you can edit and all that. So we are going to create a new page, right? So we're going to create a new page. So you click on this page and select here. So now if you see here, you can see that there is no page called 404, right? And when we leave it at none, you see that is we are selling it. Don't create any custom 404 error page. Just leave it at the default one. So what we are going to do now is to go to our pages and click on add new. Click on add new. So we are going to create a new page. You can call it 404 error page or just 404, or you call it error page, so whatever you call it. So you click on error page. So I want to call it error page, right? Call it error page. Then once you do that, you save it. So you save the page. You save the page, then we'll go back to the settings of our custom 404 Pro. We'll go back there again, and then you select a WordPress page. Then we'll come down here, we'll select that page we created. You can see it here, error page. Then we'll click save changes. So we've set up that page to become our custom error page, right? Now, so we are going to test it out and see how that page is looking like. So we'll go to our pages now. Click on pages. Then we'll visit that page. So let me open it in a new tab and let's see how that page is looking like now. So you can see it's just a normal page. So this is the, this is the default 404 page that we have. So this is the page we have. So what we are going to do now is to edit the page. So we'll click on edit here. We can also come to the pages from our dashboard here and we'll click on edit here. So whichever option or route you take, you still get to the same place, right? Now we are going to edit. So if you have a page builder like Elementor, Divi, or any other page builder that you have on your website, you can actually use it to customize your website. So right now on this page, I don't have any page builder on this site. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to install Elementor on this website so that we can use it to create a custom page. So how do I do that? I go back again to add new, go to add new, then I'll search for Elementor, search for Elementor. So Elementor is a page builder. There is a free version and there's also a paid version. So we are going to use a free version. So you click on install like we did on the first installation that we did. Then you now click on activate. So I've already installed it before, but because I wasn't using it on this website, so that is why it is not active. So I'm trying to activate it now so that we can use it to customize our page. Okay, so it's asking me to set up, so I'm not ready to do all the setup, so I just skip it. I want to use my default theme, so I just skip all this. So if you are setting up your website from scratch, you can actually do all that. Okay, so now it's giving us these two options. So either to edit a blank canvas or browse from templates or import the one we have. So I just want to use a blank canvas. That's a blank canvas so that I can create and set up what I want to have there, right? So Elementor is opening to a blank canvas now. So I'm going to close this back. So because I'm not editing that page, I want to use the page that we created. Okay, so now that we've finished installing the Elementor plugin, that is the page builder we are using on this website. So we'll go back to our page again. So I want to refresh it. So there's something I want to show you here so that it will make our editing process very fast and easy. Okay, so you come to this error page now, so you click on edit. Okay, so the same edit that we went to before. So now you are going to see this here, edit with Elementor. So if you are using Gutenberg builder, you can also use that, but page builder makes your work very fast and easy. So I'll click on edit Elementor, edit with Elementor, and wait for it to load. So it will open in a blank page, to open in on a blank page. So while we're waiting for it to open, I want us to use just an image. So I'm going to go to a website called Unsplash. I'm going to download an image we are going to put on that page, right? So I'm going to look for an image that's somebody, like telling somebody sorry. Let me see if we can see an image like that. So we can just look for an image. I just want to use an image to put on our page. So, but of course you can find an image that will really explain what your content, the content you are going to have on that page will be. So I want to use this image, so I'm just going to download it. So it's just a free website where you can download images that do not have copyright, that is non-copyrighted image, so you can use it anyhow you like. Okay, so our page has opened. So this is what we are having here. Now what we want to do now is to remove this bar here, this sidebar, because this is a blog website. So there's a sidebar where you have recent articles. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that. So I'll click on these settings here, and I'm going to make this page a full width page, right? So I click on Elementor full width, and you see that it's going to get rid of this bar here, that sidebar. You can see that sidebar is gone. Then there's something else I also want to do. I want to hide the page title. So ordinarily the page title will appear here, so which I do not want. So I click on update. So now we now have a blank canvas where we can build our custom page. Okay, so next thing we are going to do now is to click on this add new section. So we want to have 2 columns for now. So I click on this. So you have these 2 columns here. So I want to create a space between this column and the menu area. So I click on this setting here, then I'll come here. So I click on this top and bottom. So I want to push it down. So I want to put it like 50. Yeah, 59. So I want it to come down here. So let me put image here. So I put that image we downloaded. I click on this place here, then I click on image. You can also click this image and drag it down here like this. Okay, so I'll click on choose image, and I will upload the image that we just downloaded here. So I'll just upload the image. So for SEO purpose, you can give it a title. So I can call it 404 error page. Okay, 404 error page. So I'll use it for the alt text and the title. So I click on select. So you see the image will appear. Then here I want to add a text. So I click on text editor. If you have used Elementor before, so what I'm doing will not be new to you. So here is now where you can write your custom message. So you can say something, sorry, you landed on this page by mistake. Please use any of the links below to find your way back. Okay, so I can just write something like this. So you can really write whatever you like, you can make it fun, just put your personality there like we explained before. So you can do anything you like, with this page. So I want to increase the font size of this text. So I go to style and I go to typography and I make it a little bolder like this. So this 30. So I make it a little bolder. Okay, so I click update. So update is just for me to save what I have done. So what I can do next is I can add another feature. So what I can do now is either I can say, okay, I want to list all the pages I have here at the top. All these pages I have as my menu. So I can come to menu. So just come to search bar here and look for menu. So you say menu. Now you can see that menu is a paid feature of Elementor. So we are not going to use that. So we can just create simple tests that we can use. So come back here to test again and drag it here. So we can call this home. Okay, can call it home. So you can duplicate it by clicking here, right clicking, duplicate. You can call this about us if you have such a page. Then you can just list as important links to your website. So I don't want this video to be too long. So all the important pages that you want your visitors to go to when they land here. So you just click on the home page. I'll copy the link. So I come to the home, which I've clicked already. So I highlight the text, click on link. Okay, so I just paste the link there and the home will be linked. So I can decide to make it stand out, can change the color. So I'll go to style, go to typography, sorry, text color. So I can choose any color I want here, or I can click here and choose another color here. So I can decide to increase the font, then I can choose another color like that. Then I'll repeat the same process for all the links that I want to have on this page. So you can add as many content as you want just to make that page look nice. So when you are done editing everything that you want, you come here and click on update. So now let's preview the page that we just created. So I click on preview changes here. So that's where you can actually when you open this preview changes, any changes you make here, automatically it updates here and this page will reload. So as you can see, we'll have this as our custom error page instead of something like this. Okay, you can see that this is much better than something like this or something like this. So this actually looks more professional. So now let's try to visit a page that does not exist. So something like, just type a random text, random something on my browser and click on it, and let's watch what is going to happen. So as you can see that this has become our custom error page, custom for error page. So instead of people seeing that former one that we have or something like this, so this is what your visitors will see, and that way they won't get lost. They know, okay, yeah, they are still on the website there, and they are not confused as to where to go and all that. So when you finish that, ensure that you test all the URL and ensure that your URL is okay and all that. So this has become our custom error page, and that is it. So now we've learned how having a custom for error page is important, the first you can have on your website, and how to set it up effortlessly using the custom 404 Pro plugin. So remember, taking the time to create a personalized error page can greatly improve your website's user experience and keep your visitors engaged. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.